In my previous videos, we have learned what AI is and how AI works. Today, let's see how teachers and students are using AI in education, explained simply. Teachers use AI to save time. AI helps in lesson planning, making worksheets, question papers, and presentations. AI does not replace teachers, it supports teachers and reduces workload. Students must use AI responsibly. AI should support learning, not replace thinking. Used correctly, AI improves education for both teachers and students. In the next video, we'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of AI. Subscribe and stay connected.